Well, it began by some of the young farmers in the neighbourhood creating an unofficial side to play against Llanrwst young farmers. And socially in Bala, some of the boys approached me and asked whether myself and certain other reasonably knowledgeable members of the town would try and create an official club on official lines by affiliating with the NWRU and the WRU, of course.
Now you belong to District
M, yes.
Of the North Wales Rugby Union.
That's right.
So some of the boys that we're seeing playing out here today would not have been playing rugby before last September.
That's absolutely true, yes. Yes, I would say a good 75% of the boys who are playing this afternoon here have not played rugby football before.
So really they had to start from scratch then? You had to teach them to pass a ball and to kick a ball?
Yes, we had the situation where we had to train people over 20 years of age, between 20 and 30 years of age, to play rugby for the very first time.
And how were they taken to it?
Well, they've taken very well, actually, extremely well. Of course, the basic skills have been there as far as football is in the question and basketball, and the skills were there as a foundation for rugby, and we found it a reasonably natural changeover from those large ball skills to rugby football.
Now, I know you run the first 15, but you have enough players interested to have possibly a second 15.
Yes, we do. We have enough enthusiasm from the young people in the town to have a regular attendance of 30 or 40 at training sessions. Unfortunately, it's been in the gym because of the dark nights, but we foresee in spring being able to play possibles versus probables and, of course, create a second team.
And with no interest in the local schools here, you will probably have the responsibility in the near future of running a youth side as well.
Well, that's certainly right. In fact, this very morning, the first ever session was arranged for youth, and we had an attendance of 20 youngsters who had never handled a rugby ball before in their lives. We're established now, and we hope to move to greater and better things year after year. We hope to get these young people in at the bottom so we don't have this gap that's created at the moment. Within 5 years we anticipate a whole range of facilities for these boys from 8 years up until practical retirement.
So a healthy looking future for the club?
Well, I think so, yes. And of course it's the people of the town have been marvellous towards us. They've backed us tremendously, both financially and enthusiastically.